Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you a fun Dollar Tree hack using these new lights they have at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove the battery pack and the switch part that actually has the light from the bottom, and we're going to use it to make a really simple DIY. You can use indoors or outdoors. Since it's not solar, it's battery operated, has a switch to turn on and off, but it fits the Dollar Tree glasses perfectly. So I picked up this cute like bumblebee one that works perfect upside down as well with the pattern. And then just for a little nature and greenery inside, I'm taking some of this greenery from Dollar Tree and just cutting down like 3 sprigs of it. I'm going to use those inside to make it look like a plant that's lit up, but it's also going to cover the little screw areas that are on the battery pack there as well. So they're just about the right height. So I'm just going to use a little hot glue and glue the stem one right to each one of the little screws there. That way it's not going to cover up the light. Everything's going to work fine, and I'll be able to slide the Dollar Tree glass right on top. I really love the idea of using the bee one for summer. I think it's so cute. And again, you can use it indoors or outdoors. This is what it looks like during the day, and this is what it looks like lit up at night. Just a fun Dollar Tree hack. If you like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach, and my website is craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!